Henrik,
Yeah,
what are you drawing?
I'm drawing a road.
That's a good road. Where's it going? What's that?
It's a roundabout.
It's a roundabout. That's very good.
It's a thing go down in the bottom and the low goats. This is a go down to go stop. Stop. It's a dead end.
Are you going to draw some parking spaces?
Yeah.
Where are they?
Is go down and the crossing line finish and the line goes down and the line is cross the line and break the bar. But it need to go down and to see grass where to go. And the thing need to go to right. To right.
Cool.
Mama, I want to go in the car.
Yeah, go and get a car then, and we'll drive down the road.
Fix, fix.